In this video, I want to show you how to connect your Epson XP-7100 to your iPhone, how to print and also how to scan. So let's get started right away. The first step is to connect your printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone. And to do so, we need to go on the screen over here. So let me show you this. Step number one is to press on this icon on the top, right over here. This is the Wi-Fi icons. So I'll go ahead and tap on these. You need to select Wi-Fi recommended, which is the first option. So tap over here. Select Start Setup. Then we need to select Wi-Fi Setup Wizard, the first one. It has scanned for all the Wi-Fi networks around and has found these. You can drag up and down and search for your specific Wi-Fi network. Tap on it, tap on Enter over here, and now you have to type the password of that Wi-Fi network. Press OK. Then Start Setup. Wi-Fi setup is complete. This is great. Your printer is now connected. On your iPhone or Android smartphone, you need to download the Epson iPrint app. It's this specific app. I know there's multiple of them. Don't download the Epson Panel app, Smart Panel app. This printer only works with Epson iPrint. Open the app, press Agree, press OK, press Allow while using the app, press Allow. On the top over here, you're going to have Printer. Printer is not selected. Tap to add a printer, select Allow, and your XP-7100 series printer will be on the display. Click on it and it will be added to the app. It's very easy, as you saw. It takes less than a minute, which is great. So from this app, you'll be able to print photos, print documents, scan, and do other stuff that I think most people will not use the other stuff. Let me show you how to print. So in this case, I'll print a document. So I'll press print document, but if it was a picture, select the other option. Next, select your document from the list. Before pressing the print button, I suggest you click on the cogwheel on the top right corner. Make sure that all these settings are actually, they make sense with whatever you're trying to print, which means how many copies do you want? The paper size that you have input already in your printer, the media type. So if you're printing on glossy paper, you need to input this here, and other things that you can change. Once you're ready, simply press the print button. Make sure you have paper inserted in your printer. Don't touch anything. This will come out by itself. It has a small motor pushing this tray. And here we go. The print is out. Now let me show you how to use the scanner. So this printer has two different scanners, an automatic document feeder that can take up to 20 different pages at the same time, and a regular scan bed like this one. I'll show you how both of them are working. So if you want to input paper in this normal scanner over here, take your page, place it facing down, and you're going to notice on this corner of the scanner, there's an arrow, which means that we need to bring the corner of the paper so it touches the corner with an arrow. Just like this. Now you know that your paper is properly aligned. If you intend to use the automatic document feeder that is on the top of the scanner, of the printer, sorry, you need first to lift this lid completely. Take your document, again, could be 20 different pages that you wish to scan. Place it facing up with the top part of your document towards the left side. And you just have to glide it over here. You're gonna hear a beep, and this is just the scanner telling you that it has recognized that you have input something here. Now on the app itself, you're gonna select Scan. You're gonna select the cogwheel on the top right corner. Make sure that the source over here is the correct one. So ADF stands for Automatic Document Feeder, where I have input paper right now. But if you're using the scanner glass, you can select Document Table. This is how they call it here. Anyway, you have other options down below, including resolutions, and this is quite important. So if you're scanning text, you can leave it at 150 dpi, it's plenty enough. But if you're scanning artwork, including paintings or pictures with very fine details, I suggest you choose the highest number. Anyway, once you're done, you also have over here option to double-sided scanning. So imagine this page had text on the other side. Well, you can scan both sides automatically, which is great. I don't have this, so I'll keep it to no. At the end, press done and press scan. The printer will take automatically the page and it will come out over here. So this is the result, and if you want to save, because right now this is not saved, it's not on your phone, it's just a preview, you need to click on the save button, which is this floppy disk over here. Once you click on it, you need to tap on select folder. You'll be able to edit the name of this scan, choose which format you wish the scan to be, and then you're going to press the select button. You'll be able to choose, okay, if you go back over here, in which folder on your phone this will go. And afterwards, you'll be able to share it on social media or email or transfer it to somebody else. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, check my Amazon links if you want to support my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.